Hello, I am Rosko, the talking sock puppet. Welcome to the slideshow of August Family Camp 2007. We have great news for you, but first, I have uncovered a secret plot to ruin camp. Okay, let's go check this out. Let's go! It is I, the Six-Fingered Glove. I'm back with a new outfit. It's so great, it fits like a glove. Moo ha ha, moo ha ha. I have returned with my diabolical plans to once again ruin August Family Camp. Moo ha ha, moo ha ha. My diabolical plan involves giving unsuspecting campers a case of the Sniffles, thus ruining their week at August Family Camp. Stop me if you can. Moo ha ha. Moo ha ha.
Alright.
I'm just an unsuspecting camper.
Moo ha ha. Moo ha ha. Moo ha ha. And now for the last added touch. The fan to cause the sniffles.
There's no way that just happened. Achoo! Oh no! The Sniffles! This ruined my week at RCP! Why? Why?
Oh no! The Six-Finger Glove is ruining camp with the Sniffles! Oh, what will we do? I know someone who will help me foil his plans once again. Okay, let's go!
Rosko, I hope you foil his plans.
Oh yes, time to give more people the Sniffles. Moo ha ha, moo ha ha.
Time to get foiled again.
Oh no, foiled again. Take that, you Six-Finger Glove. Thank you, Benjamin, for helping me make August Family Camp 2007 safe from the Sniffles. Yes, yes. Well, that's all the time we have for today. Stay tuned next time when we solve the mystery of why they put 8 hot dogs and 10 hot dog buns in their packages. Okay? Take care. Bye-bye.